Welcome to Kaplan's Performance Tracker video tutorial. Performance Tracker is designed to provide you with specific learning data related to how you're performing in your studies. This information will help you understand what areas you're doing well in and what areas you may need to spend more time focusing on. Students can access the Performance Tracker in the Exams and Quizzes section of their main menu by first clicking on Study Tools at the top right of the dashboard. Use the Performance Tracker to help you monitor your progress with your studies. The initial display shows your overall score and the percentage of questions you've used. Equally important to your overall score are your scores by topic. Expand the topics list to identify which units and topics you are doing well in and for which you need remediation. Reinforce your knowledge of these topics by taking additional key bank quizzes. The Performance Tracker filter feature provides two options that include obtaining results from a specific test or a specific test type. For a specific test, click on the Choose a Test button and then select the name of the test you would like to analyze for areas of strength or weakness. You can get the results of two specific test types, QBank quizzes and fixed exams, by clicking on the By Type button. Clicking QBank will give you your overall results from all tests taken within the QBank. Clicking Fixed Exams will give you your overall results for all fixed exams. If you turn off all filters, the display will include all of the tests you have taken. If you'd like to understand how you're doing compared to other learners, just click on Compare with Others and Scores. The results will show your scores versus all other learners. Click the My Dashboard to return to the dashboard. Good luck with your studies, and thank you for choosing Kaplan to help you succeed.